Hi everyone, this is Hannah with Dana Girls Designs, and I wanted to show you the things that I put together for the Spring Farmhouse recipe book kit. I'm kind of gearing it more toward a junk journal kit, but it could also be, you know, a scrapbook recipe kit, recipe book kit. So I'm going to move this aside and show you the paper. This is beautiful paper, and I also have another video that gives an overview of the paper. So the kit is going to have one sheet of each design. It's a double-sided sheet here. I just love the paper. I like the farmhouse theme, you know, kind of country, rustic. Then that has the hearts. It's so pretty. And then the hearts, no, they're not foiled. I thought they were foiled, but this does have the foil in it. See, like the little bunny rabbits, they have the foil. That's so neat. This would even be good for Easter too. And then this one's so pretty. I like this. Oh, and let me turn around and show you the other side. I like that too. Just trying to kind of get it in the camera. Did I just do this page? No, I guess it looks like the other one. Yeah, it does. It looks so similar. So anyway, you'll get one of each sheet, so it's going to be 6 sheets. And then also, here is the binder. Well, this is a chipboard with the binder rings. This measures 5 by 7. So I've got 24 recipe cards that measure 4 by 6, so they will fit in here. And I've started cutting them out, and this is what they look like. I thought they turned out really nice. And so those are 4 by 6. See, they'll fit in there really good. And you could even hole punch them and put them in. I would say just go sideways with it, you know, have hole punch them in there, and then, you know, put them on your little, what's that thing called, a little easel or book holder, and put it on there so you can have it while you're cooking. And now I was going to ink these up, but then I thought that maybe whoever buys these kits, they might want them plain, or they might want to ink them up themselves. But I do not mind inking these. I was just going to use like some vintage photo around the edges and on the back just to kind of age them up. So if that's something that you would like for me to do, just put that in the whenever you buy, you can have a note to seller and just put that in there, and I'll do that for you. So with this kit, you're going to have 24 4 by 6 cards. Also, we have these wooden spools. These are really neat. Now this has 15 on here, but to keep the cost down on the kit, each kit will get 5, which will be randomly picked by me unless you know, unless if you want, you know, this row or this row or this row, you know, just put it in the notes and I'll try to accommodate that for you. And then these are some flowers and stencil that I thought go really well with this collection. This is also one of the newest Prima collections called Pretty Pale, I think is what it's called, Pretty Pale. So the colors just go really well with it, so you'll get that. You'll also get a yard of some seam binding, you know, just in case you want that in with your books, you'll get that. I've got some burlap ribbon here, so you'll get a foot of that. You'll also get a foot of this ribbon as well, if I can get it out of here. Yeah, a foot of this ribbon as well. I just tried to go with these just kind of some rustic colors. And then I thought the blue, this kind of indigo blue, would go really well with it. So you'll get a foot of that, some crochet trim. And then we've got the Farmhouse alphabet stickers, five sheets. You'll get the whole pack, so that way you can have that, you know, to alphabetize your recipes or however you want to do that. There's also images as well that you might want to put, you know, in your book. It's got some neat little images. Let's see here. Got some on the back. Beautiful life. Some little rabbits. And then this one has a little floral, little bee, heart, and home. This one says, take me home, homemade happiness, let's stay home. Little, was that a sheep? Yeah, sheep with flowers on it. And then a cow with flowers. We are simply blessed. And then another bee. So that would be really neat for that. And then you'll also get one of these washi tape rolls. These match really well. This is the Pretty Pale, but it matches really well with the Spring Farmhouse. So I'll randomly pick a roll, or if there's one you prefer, let me know and I'll try to accommodate that for you. And then you'll also get a pack of sequins in case you want to kind of glam up your recipe book. And then I'll just throw in some other extras too. I usually throw in gemstones and glitter and different things like that. So I will be having these listed in my shop soon, and I'll put a listing to that below. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to put them below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.